Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button inside the cabin. It's usually found on the driver's side dashboard, often near the steering wheel or door panel. Make sure your vehicle is completely stopped and in park with the engine turned off before attempting to open the fuel door. This ensures safety and proper operation of the release mechanism. Once you've located the button, press it firmly. You should hear a distinct click, which indicates that the fuel door mechanism has successfully unlatched. The fuel door itself will then pop open slightly, allowing you to access the gas cap. If it doesn't open immediately, try pressing the button again with a bit more pressure, ensuring a full activation of the release. If the electronic release doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual override. Open your trunk and look for a small lever or strap located on the side closest to the fuel door. Gently pull this lever or strap, and it will manually release the fuel door. This is a handy backup method if you ever encounter an issue with the primary electronic release mechanism. Once the fuel door is open, simply unscrew the gas cap by turning it counterclockwise until it's completely loose. Place the cap securely in its holder or on the door itself to prevent it from getting lost or damaged. Insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening and begin refueling your vehicle. When you're done, remove the nozzle, replace the cap, and gently close the fuel door until it clicks shut. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.